Oh, right then. So final day of the tour is upon us. Not looking forward to getting back on that ferry. It's going to be a sad moment. But before I even think about that, I've got to get out of this bloody car park. And let me tell you, it's ropey. Oh, this is not going to be fun. So right, so I didn't show you around this hotel the usual way, but I'll be honest, this well, I've got to say, that car park was ropey as shit. It was down a very steep, very bumpy little ramp, and then it was like a cave inside, so very secure, yes, but my god, I've got to say, whilst I had a decent night's sleep in Lille, this place is rough as toast. Look at the state, right? This place is an absolute shithole. I'm gonna upset a lot of people by saying it, I'm sure, but it's absolutely rough as anything. Yeah, I've never been here before. It's somewhere I've always thought, oh, Lille sounds lovely. But, I mean, if you can imagine, like, I don't know, when they portray, like, America and stuff and they're in the hood, this is very much like that. Feel a bit... It was a little bit of a nervy walk through town last night, finding somewhere to eat, which was lovely. Can't knock, the food was really nice. Had a nice glass of vino, it was nice, but the walk up there, it looked like we were walking past fucking gang after gang after gang. Weird, very weird. Even the church is full of graffiti and yeah, ropey. But anyway, we are now on with our final leg of the tour. We are, oh, what does it say? We're about 60 odd miles from Calais. It's going to take us about an hour to get there. Oh, it smells a bit down here. See, they're clearly just burgling a house there, and just a quick burglary. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm a bit disappointed with booking.com with the feedback people give for that hotel, because outside our window looked like the local drug dealer and his merry men. It was yeah, it was quite full with people. It was quite busy. And there was no mention of that on people's reviews, which I find hard to believe, because it was that bad. Unless everyone staying there has been that bad, because they know Lille. I just don't know Lille. So yeah, that is very true. Taf was chatting up one of the ladies that was working there last night, and even she said it was rough. And she'd been there a couple of years but was planning to move on because it was so rough. Yeah, and yeah, very, very ropey. And I've got what can only be described as Lille belly this morning. Shitting through the eye of a needle. Yeah, I did notice, first time actually in France, where I've noticed loads and loads of like homeless people as well. Homeless people, I mean, when you're in traffic, there's people walking in between the cars, begging. And that's the first time I've noticed any of that here in France. We are now escaping Lille, not leaving, escaping. Taf still wanted to go for a drink round the hood, but we had to say no for that. Yeah, I didn't quite fancy getting shot. Yeah, or some kind of gang raping. I didn't fancy it. The write-up on booking.com made it sound like a really beautiful place. Well, they fucked me. They fucked us all. They fucked us all. I know, calling it the best hotel, I mean, that's a piss take in itself. How can you call something? Was it the best hotel of a bad bunch? See, well, that's it. For all we know, it is the best hotel in Lille. I mean, it was clean enough. It was alright, it was clean. It was just yeah, it was just a little bit rapey. I just got that vibe from it. And Tafs woke up with a terrible sore bottom, and he actually said the guy that worked there actually put him to bed last night. So I think Taf got his Lille cherry popped. Oh, don't make me do it. I can't believe we're going back. Up. Up. We're going up. I don't want to get on this boat. I want to stay in France. Oh, I want to go to Switzerland. Where's we wanting? Further? Oh, right at the front. Yeah, I see straps are green. In fact, first on the boat, best seats in the house. Get that in you. Not a bad little seating area, if I do say so myself. Ah, yes I am. But look, there's some of your pervy things here.
What?
You know what you use to spy on your neighbours? Yeah, dodgy that. Leaving the boat. Oh, go on, gun it, lad, if you're gonna go. Oh, fuck arse. Fuck arse. Oh, we're back in the not so sunny land of England. Look, stuck in traffic already, standard England. Back in England. There are the once white cliffs of Dover, now they're kind of a dull grey. Oh, I can tell we're back in the UK, right? Been back in the UK for about 30 seconds and I've stopped at about 10 sets of traffic lights. Sucks. Back on the correct side of the road. Are we there yet? It's 290 miles 290 miles. Well, it is quite bad because it says we're only going to get home at 20 to 7. I've just left Taf and Wayne. It's been absolutely awesome, but my god, am I ready to get home. I am in absolute agony. My arse is killing, and as much as I love this V-Strom, and it hasn't put a foot wrong for me, it's been awesome the entire journey. It's been great. It's just bloody sore. We've done, I don't know, about 2,500 miles in 6 days. So I know for some that probably seems like not a lot, but for someone like myself that goes out doing 20-30 miles or 80 miles, 100 miles, it's probably like a long ride for me. Doing the sort of mileage we've done is a big deal. So yes, we have learnt a hell of a lot. We've learnt what we've liked, what we've not liked, areas that we've loved and areas not so much. It has been an absolute blast, but I can't wait to get home and sit on a flipping bag of frozen peas or something, because my arse is in desperate need of an icing. Oh god, that's the first time I've put my leg down in what seems like hours, and that, oh, that's so sore. Oh, I didn't think I was going to be able to keep the bike up then. Oh. Yeah, so as far as this bike goes, it has been brilliant. I'm sure there's better bikes out there, certainly better seats out there. I know the other two boys, Wayne on his GS, Taf on his Africa Twin, they've all got their aches and pains now. I'd like to say I feel worse than them, or I'm certainly complaining more than them about being painful in a lot of pain. So I'd like to think I'm sorer than them, but the GS is known for its long distance comfort. The Africa Twin, I think, is known for being a bit of a shit seat, as is the V-Strom, but I know that Taf had upgraded his seat to a comfort one, and he'd put some kind of spongy mesh thing on top of it as well to make it a bit more comfortable. I just went old school, stock bike, stock seat, yeah, and I'm paying for it now. I probably won't go on a bike for about 8 months until my arse actually gets some feeling back. No, probably at least a week or two, I would have thought, because I feel absolutely done in. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're planning a tour, if you've been on a tour, or if you'd recommend a tour, because we're already talking about next year's, talking about going to Spain, maybe Portugal, over that neck of the woods. So if you can suggest anything better, or you've done anything similar or better, let me know. Open to suggestions. We haven't planned anything, we've just kind of been chatting about, you know, as you do, what to do next. So that'll do for now. I'm done in, I'm going home, I'm going to bed. Thank you all. Bye from me, a tired but still very happy Gilly. See you later.